Where does the word groom come from? And what does it really mean? In modern English, groom often refers to the husband-to-be at a wedding. But originally, the word had a very different form and meaning. The word groom, in this context, is actually a shortened form of bridegroom, a term dating back to 1604. But bridegroom is much older. It comes from Middle English bridegroom, which itself was a variation of an even earlier word, bridegroom. Now here's where things get interesting. The Middle English form bridegroom contains an intrusive R, added over time because speakers began to associate the second part of the word with grom or groom, a Middle English word meaning attendant or servant. But this was actually a misunderstanding. The original Old English term was bridegroom, which directly meant bride man, with bride meaning bride, and guma meaning man or hero. Let's dive deeper into guma. It comes from Proto-Germanic gumo, meaning man or person. While this word didn't survive in most modern Germanic languages, it did leave a few traces. For example, in Icelandic or Norwegian. But the story goes even further back, deep into the roots of the Indo-European language family. Proto-Germanic gumo comes from Proto-Indo-European dachjahumno, which meant earthling or human being. This word was derived from da'ejom, meaning earth, plus the suffix o. Over time, the initial da was dropped in clusters like this, leaving jahmo meaning simply human. And from jahmo, we get some very familiar words. In the Baltic languages, and in the Romance languages. So when you say the word groom, you're actually echoing a deep linguistic history, one that ties together the English word bridegroom, Old English heroes, and ancient Indo-European roots meaning earthling or person of the land. Subscribe to find out more.